Okay, today we're going to take a look at Zetomax party light system. It consists of 6 light bulbs that I got at Home Depot and a QSB 22R module here from Compile. This one has 10 relays down here, so you could put up to, actually 2, 4, 6, 10, you could put 10 AC devices or DC devices. So I've connected them using one AC line, which powers the QSB and all the lights, and then the relays act as an opto-isolated switch, basically to control the power to the light bulbs. And then I simply made a simple program, so they just go in a certain routine that I made, and then I connected them using a DIN rail. You could make something like this in, like, I don't know, the wiring takes about an hour or two, but once you make it, you could program it to do it anything you want, so it's pretty neat. Alright, have a good party this week.